Hey guys, today I'm excited to share with you these cute photo album bundles that I got from the brand SophiaSophia. So I got 3 different photo album books and they're all so cute with beautiful designs. I first have this cute little floral deer one, this pink one from their watercolor series, and this aesthetic one with a cute little mug of coffee, glasses, flowers, a sweater, and there's also like a laptop. Basically all ties together to like a cute cozy home aesthetic. So you can open and close them with the cute little belt strap right here. So you do that and then voila. And then inside the book there are 96 2x3 pockets to fit all your cute little photos. It's usually compatible with cameras like the Polaroid Mint, the Snap Touch, Instax Fujifilm, and all the camera names you see right here. You can see that. Basically, it works with most smartphone printers or 2x3 printing film. Oh, and let me show you the stickers that comes with the books. So each book is supposed to come with 20 stickers and oh my gosh, they are all so cute. So I've already put 6 photos in this photo album here. 4 of them have stickers on, as you can see, and these 2 do not yet. But how cute are these? They're so gorgeous. Let me show you how to use the stickers. So you can peel it off like this and then apply it on the border and voila, there you go. But I also love how you're left with a big inner sticker that you can get creative with and use for other crafts or photos if you like. But these are really high quality and made of premium PU leather and PVC inner material. And it's not supposed to fade over time. It will last you. You'll keep the beautiful designs. I really feel that these would make great gifts as well. Maybe for somebody's special event like a birthday, baby shower, a wedding, or just for a friend to fill with cute memories. Also, there's this little card that mentions the brand SophiaSophia is hoping to make all packaging plastic free by the year 2023. I know the new collection is already all plastic free, as you can see, but the older collections are still in the process of getting rid of that. But I love they're making the difference. So important. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. And again, these are some of the photo bundles from SophiaSophia. And yeah, have a great day. Bye!